All right, now we're going to try this on our own. We're going to try this together, then you're going to try it on your own. On the next slide, there are 10 words for you to do on your own. And you can do it on paper and submit it to your teacher, or take a picture of it, or however you do it. But those 10 words are for you to do by yourself. So let's practice these. The rule is, if a root word ends with a Y after a consonant, change the Y to an I before adding a suffix, except for suffixes beginning with I, like ing, ing. That makes sense that you're not going to change the Y to an I and add ing. You'd have two I's right next to each other. And I can't think of any words in the English language that have two I's right next to each other, except Hawaii. Okay. So our first word is silliness. Is silly plus ness equals silliness. So silly ends with consonant, then a Y. Ness does not begin with an I, so you change the Y to an I and add the suffix. That's how that one's done. The next one is empty plus ing. Empty ends with a consonant and a Y, but ing starts with an I, so you do not change the Y to an I, you just add the suffix. Dirtier. Dirty plus is going to be dirtier. But the way to spell that, because dirty ends with consonant Y, you change the Y to an I and then add the ER. And so it's following the rule, just like above. Okay, the next one is fly plus ing equals flying. Fly is consonant Y, so you would change it, except that ing starts with I, so you don't want two I's right next to each other. So flying, you just add the ing to the word without changing the Y. The next word is joy plus full equals joyful. Now joy does not end with a consonant Y. It ends with a vowel Y. So that's why you just add the suffix. So now you have joyful. Sprayed is the same. It doesn't end with a consonant Y. It ends with a vowel Y, so you just add the ED. But shiny plus ness is shininess, and it does end with a consonant Y, plus ness does not begin with an I, so you change the Y to an I and add the suffix. Okay, on the next slide, the rule is there for you to see. It's written. You can come back to this slide if you need to check how some of the words are done. But practice doing those 10 words on your own. All right, good luck.